guys, so this is where we're gonna eat our dinner at a food bazaar here in San Narciso, Zambales. So let's do a little vlog. Oh, ang labo sa akin. Ang dami mga kainan dito guys. Actually, hindi ako makapili. Like, well, actually, I already know what I want. I want buldak, churros. I can't believe that they have churros and fries. Pero we haven't even explored everything yet. Meron pa sa corner. So we're gonna walk like all around it and see what we want to get. But I feel like I'm pretty decided already.
Buldak na naman.
Nakabuldak ko lang ng isang araw, pero sure. Oh my gosh, Dimple!
Ha? Wala si Dimple.
It's a mix of Kyle and Dimple. Sige, kain muna tayo guys. We just got our food. We got some churros, some buldak, and some fish cake and some tteokbokki. So marami pang parating. So we wanted to sit muna.
Siguro pa sila maanghang. Eh, buldak eh.
Tita ako yun.
Oo nga. Nag-worry ka pa talaga.